Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to connect Steam to Rockstar games. The first thing that you'll need to do is to open your web browser and then type out Rockstar Games Launcher and then click on the search icon and then select this website. And then click on the download for Windows. Okay, so right after that, just head on to your downloads to see. Okay, now open your Steam application. So at the bottom left corner, you can see the add a game. So just click on it. Then click on add a non-Steam game. Okay. And then click on the browse. Okay, this one. Then go to the folder where you have put your downloaded Rockstar game. So here it is. So just click on it and then click on open. Okay, and then add selected programs. So just click on it. Now, when you go to your library, okay, you would be able to see here that your Steam account has been connected to your Rockstar games. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.